Huwag mo ganyanin to, Net.
Happy birthday, Mommy!
You gonna blow that?
Okay.
Wala pa. Mag-wish mo. Ay. Mag-wish.
He's gonna born.
Okay.
You sing happy birthday to and it's gonna be good.
Ano sabihin mo? Anong wish mo for Mommy?
And I give Mommy some present.
Give Mommy some present? What kind of present?
What? You brand new car?
Brand new car? How about a baby girl? A baby boy? You like that? Basta good help for Mommy, Tete, Daddy, all of us. Halika na, bilis, mag-blow na natin. Anong gagawin mo? Hey, happy birthday. Come on, let's blow. All our wishes come true. Talagang